Hi. Have you ever wondered how the internet works? You might have heard of a famous 7-layer model, but did you know the real internet only uses 4? Let's break it down in a way that actually makes sense. First up, the famous OSI model. This is the one you see in textbooks. It has 7 layers, from top to bottom: application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical. Think of it like a super detailed step-by-step instruction manual for how data gets from one computer to another. It's fantastic for learning because it separates every single job into its own neat little box. Please do not throw sausage pizza away. It's a classic way to remember them. But here's the twist. The real-world internet is a bit more practical. It uses something called the TCP IP model, which squishes those 7 layers down into just 4. You've got the application layer at the top, then transport, then internet. And finally, network access at the bottom. It combines the top 3 OSI layers into one application layer and the bottom 2 into the network access layer. It's leaner, meaner, and gets the job done. So, how does this work when you say, open a website? Your browser creates an HTTP request in the application layer. The transport layer, using TCP, chops the request into little pieces and makes sure they all arrive safely. The internet layer, using IP, acts like a GPS, finding the best route across the internet to the website's server. Finally, the network access layer, using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable, physically sends the data as electrical signals or radio waves. And just like that, the website pops up on your screen. Now for the real magic: encapsulation. As your data travels down these layers, each one adds its own special wrapper, like a Russian nesting doll. Your data becomes a segment, then a packet, then a frame, and finally bits of ones and zeros. When it reaches its destination, the process happens in reverse. That's de-encapsulation. Each layer unwraps the information until the original data is revealed. So why does any of this matter? Because of protocols. These are the rules of the road for the internet. You use them every single day. HTTP is the protocol for websites. TCP ensures reliable delivery. IP handles the addressing, so data knows where to go. And DNS is like the internet's phone book, turning website names into IP addresses. Without these protocols, computers would just be shouting nonsense at each other. Networking can seem super complicated. But once you understand these layers and how they work together, it all starts to click. It's the invisible architecture that connects our entire digital world. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Tech Explained Simply. I see you soon.